Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will review Intune configuration profile and the settings we can apply to Intune client from the cloud. Intune configuration profile are same as we have in our on-premise group policy management. Before moving to that, please like and subscribe my channel. That will help others to get to my channel. Intune configuration profiles are the security setting that make sure that devices meets the organization security policies. Configuration profile types are applied to different devices like Android, iOS, and Windows. In this example, we will use Windows device to apply a configuration profile. The configuration profile looks more likely as a group policy. So if you can see the screen, I'm in Intune management admin center, and from here I will go to devices and then I will go to configurations. So here we have defined different type of configurations, right? So whenever we have to create a new policy, we can go to create, we can go to new policy. So there are different type of policies we can apply and a different type of platform to which we can apply the policies. And in the policy type, we can select templates like administrative templates and customs and delivery optimization. All these options we have, but here we're gonna show you the setting catalog. Different device type have different setting available, so we can apply settings over different devices or our user. So settings will be device based or user based. If you want your setting to be applied on device based, no matter who will sign in, you can assign it and you can create it and assign it on the device base. If you want the settings to be applied on the user base, you can apply it to user, right? So in today's video, I will show you how we can set up a default home page for Microsoft Edge in the Chrome. Please note that this is just to explain you. You can set up the things according to your requirement. Let's name the profile computer start page. Start page for Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. Okay, let's hit next. In the configuration setting, let's go to page setting to add those settings. So there are a lot of settings you can do a research for and you can set up according to your need. So if you want to set settings for Edge, let's see if it's search for us and I'm searching for Edge settings. That's great. We can use comma and we can search for Chrome as well. Let's see if it searches the setting for Edge and Chrome down. Yeah, see, it searched the setting for Edge and Chrome. So now we want to change the home page for Edge and Chrome. So let's search for home page and see if we got that setting here down. Yeah, we got it for Google Chrome. So let's configure the home page URL for Chrome, and this is for device base. I am not selecting this for user base. Also, let's go to Edge here and select. We want to select the home page for Microsoft Edge is home page URL. Okay, now configure the home page URL for Chrome. I want to add Outlook homepage for our users, right? Outlook.mail. Like if any user, as our all of the company is using Microsoft emails, so I want them whenever they open the browser, they will see outlook.office.com, go to their email more easily. So I have set up the home page for Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, and let's hit next. We can assign this configuration profile to groups, users, and the devices. So I have created this configuration profile for the devices. So what I will do, I will try to point this setting to the device group so that devices will get these settings and the home page will be Outlook for them. Also, if you want to exclude any of the group here, you can add those group or user here. Like if you want to exclude admin, if you want to exclude any other department, you can create and add those group here. So let's hit next. Here is the part to review all of your settings. So we are nearly to create this configuration profile for our device setting. Hit create. That's great. Hit refresh. Our configuration profile has created and now it is assigned and it is being synced to the devices, right? It could take some time. Sometimes the devices also needs a restart to get all these settings, and then you can view a report from here that how many is succeeded, how many is error, conflict, and not applicable, and all of progress from here. And you can also test it on the device ends, right? You can restart the device and you can check if the settings is working across your required devices or not. So for your understanding here, I have set up OneDrive auto login sync and let's see the report. See, my this configuration setting is succeeded, right? There are no error and it succeeded on three of the users, no conflict, or we don't have any not applicable here. So these are the configuration profile that will log in OneDrive users automatically and that will sync their OneDrives. For more detail, you can see the device name here, emails, and the check-in status and last report modification details here. That's it for today's lecture. Hope you enjoyed and you have learned about configuration profile for Windows, how we can set up configuration profiles in Intune. Thanks for watching, keep sharing, and let me know in comments if you need any further assistance from my end. Thank you so much. Bye.